Good morning. We're in Vegas right now. I just landed and the rest of the SLUSHY team isn't going to be here for a couple hours. So Josh just told me to go to the hotel and not to wait for him. But my flight was really good, besides the fact that the guy next to me definitely let one rip. Yeah. So I'm going to head to the hotel and hopefully I can check in early. If not, then I'll just do my makeup somewhere in the bathroom. I was going to stay here, but he was like, no, just go to the hotel. So I guess I'm going to do that. Getting up this morning was so hard. I am not a morning person, y'all. I'm not. But I'm so excited to go to this that it honestly was fine. Also, I straightened my hair today. I think I like it better straight than the curls. I don't know. Yeah, I think it looks better. I'm gonna go to my hotel now. We have made it. I am so excited. Okay, so I just walked into my hotel room and it is beautiful. This is a brand new hotel called the Fountain Blue, and I need to do my makeup still, so we're gonna do that in a second, but first I wanna show you the room. Okay, I should have done the wide angle, but here is the hotel room. Look at this. I am obsessed. It's so pretty. Shower, and then there's also a bathtub with this, I'm gonna take so many pictures. What is that? Should I oh my God, I should shoot something in here. Giant mirror for outfitting. This is my fit right now. I'm probably gonna change my shirt into something a little more scandalous because we are in Vegas, and while I was on the flight, I wanted to look somewhat presentable, so that's why I wore this, but that's that. And then there is 2 beds in here, but it is just me. So, I mean, I got lucky. 2 beds that I can choose from. And then there's that little closet. I am fully obsessed. This is so beautiful. This hotel is so nice. It's a brand new one and it's just gorgeous. I'm gonna take so many pictures. I'm gonna take so much content. Right now I'm gonna do my makeup and then I have to actually screen record setting up a profile for SLUSHY because they need that. Josh and Jacqueline, who is the social media person, is gonna be here in, I guess an hour or 2, maybe an hour and a half. I think their flight lands at 11 something and then it'll take probably a half hour to get here. So I have a little bit of time to work on some work and then also put my makeup on. First I'm gonna start with my makeup because I feel like that's really important. And then also choosing what I wanna wear. I could wear this and I don't feel bad in this, but this is something I would wear any day of the week. And we're in Vegas and I'm gonna be interviewing top creators. By the way, there was definitely some creators on my flight today. You can just tell, you know, all of us were wearing black knee-high boots, or one girl was wearing black knee-high boots and she had bleached blonde hair. And I was like, you're going to AVN. I just feel it. Another girl and her partner or somebody, and they were definitely going as well. You could just tell, you could feel it in the air. And I was like, yes, I wanted to ask everybody, but then I was like, is that kind of rude? I don't know if that's rude. I'm going to unpack my bag, get my makeup out, do that. I like to do my makeup by the light. Okay, I'm gonna start doing things and then, yeah, I don't know, I'm so excited.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same.
Today, and who do we have with us? I'm Alanah Cole. Hi, Alanah. Hi.
All right, who am I here with? Bella Blue, Olive.
Hey, we're live with Alanah.
Hi, Jessie. So, what type of content is your favorite type of content to make?
Boy, girl, boy. I was bent over, had one hair one here and then one in my hand, and then but the two right here were just kept switching off. So I suck it off, stroke it off, stroke it off, suck this one off.
Now that is talent.
And then they rotated.
We are at a party right now, doing the red carpet. Let's see, right there. It's been fun, and oh my god, now I'm tuning in. Okay, goodbye, guys.
I'm Onyx Muse. I'm out of Vegas, porn star, dominatrix, and I'm trying to convert to SLUSHY. I'm trying to follow in her footsteps.
I feel like the sides of this look so weird. Anyway, good morning. I am so fucking tired, but I'm also running on a lot of adrenaline, so I'm not tired. It's very strange. We got in at like 3 a.m. last night. What happened? Okay, last night was so much fun. I interviewed so many people on the red carpet, in the SLUSHY room. Literally I met freaking Flava Flav. I literally hugged and talked to Flava Flav for like 5 minutes. My phone is going off. Last night was so much fun. Does this look weird, like with the sides coming out? Like, I feel like that's really strange. But, like, if the skirt was up higher and, like, that could be cute. But then, like, is that weird to have, like, my hips just out? I don't know. Anyways, my hair smells horrible. It smells like smoke, but I can't wash it. So that's horrible. Yeah, it stinks. Oh, I need to, like, spray it with a bunch of perfume. Oh, my God. Hi, not right now. Oh, okay. Thank you. I just need to finish my hair. I already did my makeup for today, and then we're going to head out. We're going to go to breakfast, and then we're going to go to the convention, which we haven't even been to yet. We've only been on the party bus, where I actually got interviewed for, like, a really big Instagram. I'll show you guys. Yeah, we were on a party bus, and then we went to one of the after parties, which was like a pajama party. It was an official after party for the convention, so it was really cool seeing everybody there and like meeting Flava Flav. But we were out till like 3 a.m., which like Jacqueline and I, who's the social media girl at SLUSHY, were babies. But somehow we managed to stay awake. And then I woke up at like 8 this morning, started getting ready, took a shower, didn't wash my hair because I can't wash it. But it's just been so fun. I cannot wait to go to the convention. I'm literally like so eager.
Jenna Fox, you are next. Don't come up both sides, because we know you are.
You're the artist on the canvas.
All right, who am I here with?
Glenn. E-balls.
Guys, it is Friday night, I think. We got back a few hours ago from the convention, and I took a bath, then I took a shower, then I took a nap, and now we're headed to dinner. So I'm wearing a little fit. I thought I would show you. You guys, I am like so drained from interviewing people. I just want to relax. Talking to people from nonstop is it takes it out of you. Okay, let me show you my fit. Okay, so this is what we've got on. Oh, this is the look. I have a Skims corset. I don't know if you can see that. And then the little black skirt that I've been wearing basically all weekend. I had a leather skirt on earlier, so I thought I would just switch it back to just a black skirt. Brown blazer to match the brown heeled boots, and then just my little bag. That's the look. We were all so exhausted today after going out last night. I don't know how we're going to do this again for 2 more nights, but we're going to do our best. Socialize, get to know people. It'll be fun. We're going to dinner with a giant group of like creators and podcasters and industry people, and just like really cool people, so that'll be really fun. I think it's like a table for 12, which is crazy. And I'm just excited to see what the night holds. And then tomorrow, I think it's the actual AVN like awards, and Jacqueline and I were like, I wonder if we get to go. Like, I really, really want to go,
but I'm not sure if we were invited, so. Oh my God. We went out last night till like 4 a.m. Then Jacqueline and I had a little, I'm right here. We went out last night, then got back in at 4 a.m. Jacqueline and I had a little slumber party because I have a second bed right there. So she slept right there and we chatted like for another hour or something. Oh, and then this morning I was like so dry. Everything feels so dry. I feel super dehydrated, but it was a really good time. This morning we got up, showered, got breakfast. It's like 1 o'clock now. And I'm gonna take like another little nap, I think. And then I think we're gonna do some work stuff in a few hours. So wish me luck.
Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I could flip a dime to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on 3, 2, 1.
Happy Tuesday! Y'all, my apartment is a damn disaster. I'm home from AVN and I thought I would tell you guys some of my highlights, kind of explain my monotone voice throughout the entire video. Oh my God, my voice seems so monotone, but like inside I was boiling with excitement the entire time. But I think I was like running on adrenaline, talking to so many people. So by the time I got back to like take a video clip, I was like, I am so tired. And like that was my time to kind of like unwind so that I could pick back up and like be energized for like the night or the next morning or like whatever we were doing. But anyway, I got back on Sunday. Sunday was rough because we had a flight early in the morning and I did not wake up. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I am not a morning person. It doesn't matter if I went out the night before or if I got a full 9 hours of sleep. I cannot wake up for the life of me before, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but like 9 o'clock. Let's recap this last week. That was honestly, like, I could cry. I don't know why. I'm so emotional. I'm on my period, okay? I got back and I started my period. It was awful. But I think I'm just really emotional. And I have actually something else to share as well. I'm really emotional and I honestly had the best fucking week ever. And I am so beyond grateful for like Josh and David, who are the co-founders of SLUSHY, for taking me on this trip. I can't even. I literally could cry. Some of the highlights were just talking to so many amazing creators, getting connected and showing them SLUSHY, getting them involved with the brand and like taking content together, meeting Flava Flav, going backstage at the Chainsmokers concert, spending time with the team. Jacqueline and Josh are amazing and it was so nice like getting to know them a little bit deeper. We actually spent like 24 hours together, you know, you really get to know someone, so it was nice getting to know them on that level. And I definitely want to go to AVN next year with SLUSHY, of course. I also met Ariel, who is a creator, and her, Jacqueline, and I just like became the Three Musketeers the entire weekend. Such a blessing. And then on top of that, another reason why I've been really emotional is I haven't told any of y'all, I guess since you made it this far in the video, I haven't really been wanting to share because the thing is when I share on this channel, a lot of you, and this is not like any shame, like I want you guys to do your research and everything, but sometimes I think that messes with my algorithm when I'm trying to reach men. So I told you guys about my, you know, Alanah Sips Instagram account and like some of the other accounts that I've made. And I think it kind of messes with my algorithm. Like I want you guys to get the, you know, the information and I want to tell you guys everything I'm doing, but sometimes I want to give it like the algorithm to kind of figure out. So anyways, I told you guys about my Instagrams. They haven't been hitting like I've wanted them to, and like my friends' Instagrams have. Like they're all going viral like so quickly. And I just was like, what the hell, you know? I was kind of getting in my head about it. I told you all, Blair had started a YouTube channel where she's doing try-on videos, specifically like transparent try-on videos. And so I was like, all right, I gotta just, you know, try this too. Like, let's just try it. So I made a channel and it's going really well. I think I'll just say that. If you find it, you find it. I'm not going to link it. Like I said, I don't want to mess up my algorithm on that page, but it's going really, really well. Like, so I got back. I could literally cry. Oh my God, I'm crying. I'm crying? Okay. I got back on Sunday, and then yesterday, my channel just like fucking blew up. One of my videos has like 1.5 million views. Another one has 500,000 views. Another one has like 300,000 views, 200,000 views, 100,000 views, and then like 80,000 views or something like that. And my channel is almost at like, I think it has 65K subscribers. Like, I have been working on this channel for years, and I have 70 something subscribers. That channel overnight just got that many subscribers. This channel is a week old, like a week and a half old. And overnight yesterday, it just like, I got so many fans to my spicy pages. I was like in shock yesterday. I cried like 3 times. Because I feel like I work really fucking hard and I try everything and I really give everything a fair shot. Like, I put in the work. I really do. Even with those Instagram accounts, like, I'm still going to push for them. I'm still going to post as, much as I can, still create content. And I never give up. Like, I will keep pushing. But for this to happen was just like such a blessing. So anyways, I don't know why I'm so emotional about it, but I'm really happy. So it's just been an amazing week and like a cherry on the top to have that channel blow up like it has. And I hope it keeps, growing and everything. It's just like really fucking crazy. Like, it's crazy. I hope you liked this video. I highly recommend going to AVN. It was so cool to meet people that watch my videos, people that are subscribed to my spicy pages. Like, it was so amazing. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one.